Hello and welcome back. Well, on the back one is done. We have a subframe and the driver. I think he's a little bit annoyed that his car isn't finished yet. So, subscribe, it's free. You help me, you help him to get his car. You help maybe them to get a house, them to get a store, and maybe for them some more construction workers and machines. So if you like what you see, bounce on the like button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Subscribe, it's free. Share and leave a comment. For now, stay tuned as we are going to attack back 2. See you there.